The twin-engine, dual-propulsion, dual-drive road trains, or DPRT, offer a high payload capacity, significantly reducing the time and costs of transporting ore from the mine site to the concentrator, train, or barge loading terminal. With payloads of up to 500 tons and unlimited range, distance is no longer an issue. By reducing transportation and vehicle cycles, DPRT enhances productivity while lowering costs. The additional payload capacity achieved with DPRT is a game changer, dramatically improving operational productivity and cost efficiency. In a world where reliable and efficient resource extraction is increasingly crucial,